What do you think this prints? Print type of type. If that confused you, you're going to love this video. Here are 10 Python tricks every programmer should know. Let's get started. Here's the first trick. Print python.count empty string. How many times does an empty string appear in the word Python? Most people answer 6, but the correct answer is 7. Why? Because an empty string exists before the first character, between every 2 characters, and after the last character. 6 letters create 7 positions. That's why the output is 7. Now let's make it even weirder. Now watch this. Print a b by -1. Most people expect an error, but Python simply returns an empty string. Negative repetition means repeat it 0 times. It gets even stranger. Trick 3, print python.findz. Instead of throwing an error, the find method returns -1. That's Python's way of saying, I searched, but it's not there. Ready for the next one? Trick 4, print type of type. It looks confusing, but in Python, everything is an object, even type. So the type of type is type. It gets even stranger. Or here's another one. Can you multiply true? Print true by 10? Yes, because true is actually equal to 1. So 1 times 10 equals 10. Now let's make it even weirder. Trick 6. Print Python from 0 to 1000. The string has only 6 letters. So why doesn't this crash? Python slicing is safe. If the end index is too large, Python simply stops at the last character. Now let's make it even weirder. Trick 7. Print Python with end 0. It starts at the beginning. So why is the result empty? Because slicing stops before the stop index. Start at 0. Stop before 0. Nothing gets selected. Ready for the next one? Trick 8. -0. Ooh, my favorite one. Which letter is this? Here's the funny part. In Python, -0 is just 0. So the output is P. Trick 9. It gets even stranger. Print 0 power of -0. Many people expect an error, but in Python, the result is 1. Do you know why? Let's see who is the smartest in the comments. It's in the last one. Ooh, my head. Hey, print 0.1 plus 0.2. You already know the answer. This should be 0.3, right? Surprisingly, Python prints 0.300000004 because computers store decimal numbers in binary, and some values can't be represented exactly. Ooh, the end of the tricks, but wait. There are more and more, so if this video taught you something new, hit subscribe. If you already knew all 10 tricks, respect. You're ahead of most Python programmers, but if even one of these surprised you, imagine what you'll learn next. I'm already working on part 2, and I promise, the next tricks are even more surprising. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next challenge.